Listen, running a small business in 2025 without AI is like showing up to a Formula One race on a tricycle. You might finish the race, but it's going to be a bumpy, slow, exhausting ride. Thankfully, though, AI has leveled the playing field. It's no longer just for Silicon Valley nerds or billion-dollar companies. Small businesses now have powerful, affordable tools that can handle customer service, marketing, content creation, and even hiring, all while you sleep. So let's dive into the top 5 AI tools every small biz should be using in 2025 to save time, cut costs, and scale up. But before we do that,
allow me to reintroduce myself.
My name is Devon. Put in work Burke, a business funding specialist, online marketer, family man, and fitness enthusiast. Also, the creator of the Wealthbuilderz TV. So, subscribe to the channel and like this video. Number 1, ChatGPT. Right? You're a 24/7 assistant here at your beck and command. Now, you use it for customer support, marketing, research, writing. OpenAI's ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot anymore. It's your team's MVP. With custom GPTs, you can build your own AI employee that knows your business, responds like your brand, and works 24/7 without PTO or coffee breaks. Now, it answers customer FAQs, it can write blog posts, social captions, emails, draft contracts, proposals, scripts, brainstorm business ideas. It can do it all, right? Listen, all you need to do is train a GPT on your business's tone, products, and FAQs, and it's like cloning your brain without the therapy bill. You dig? Number 2, Copy.ai or Jasper. AI copywriters on steroids, basically, right? So what you use this for? You use this for email marketing, ads, landing pages, social media content. These tools create persuasive copy faster than a seasoned marketer, right? Just give them a few keywords or prompts and they'll generate high converting email campaigns, sales pages that actually sell, Instagram captions that get shared. Listen, they're perfect if you don't have a marketing team or are the marketing team, right? Because most small businesses, we play multiple hats, right? So definitely check out Jasper. Number 3, Pictory or InVideo, the AI video creation team, right? Now, you use this AI tool for Faceless YouTube channels, promo videos, social media reels, and you don't want to be on camera? No problem. These AI video editors turn text into slick professional videos with voiceovers, animations, and stock footage. No film school required. You could turn a blog post into a YouTube video, create IG reels or TikToks from a script, add AI voiceovers with natural tones. Listen, in 2025, video content isn't optional. It's survival. Number 4, the next AI tool would be Zapier or Make, right? Formerly known as Intercom. Now, the automation superpowers, this is what it is, right? That basically, right? Because you use it for workflow automation, time-saving tasks, and these tools connect your apps like Lego blocks. Want to send auto send a welcome email after someone fills out your form? Done. Want your Shopify sales logged in Google Sheets? Easy. Save time on repetitive tasks, reduce human error, and free up hours and hours every week. This is how you actually work smarter and not harder and buy some of your time back. Number 5, Tidio or Intercom. Now, this is the AI-powered customer support chatbot. Now, you use this for lead capture, answering FAQs, 24/7 support, right? Tidio is perfect for e-commerce, and Intercom is great for SaaS or service businesses, right? Now, you help your automated customer service with chatbots that feel human, not robotic. Handle live chat without being, glued to your phone. Convert site visitors into customers. Seamlessly transfer to real humans when needed, right? And you could literally solve problems while you're eating tacos or sleeping. This is the new vibe in 2025, okay? Now, AI isn't replacing you, it's enhancing you. If you want to build faster, earn more, and scale without stress, these AI tools are your unfair advantage. You don't need to be a tech genius to use them either. Just a smart wealth builder who's ready to level up. You dig? So, thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself. Devon, put in work. Burke, signing off for 5 AI tools every small business should be using in 2025. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more.